Hi, my name is Barbara Harrington. Today's date is March 30th, 2018. Welcome back. It's been 72 hours since part 1 of this lab. Today we're doing the biochemical testing for microbial identification. Our part 2 is the methyl red test, and our part 3 is the Voges-Proskauer test. So, here are our MRVP broths that we inoculated approximately 72 hours ago and incubated in our incubation area. What we are first going to do is we're going to, and as you can see, it's cloudy, so we did get some growth, which is what we were wanting. We're going to first split this in half, our solution that we have in half between these two S. epidermis test tubes that we got. So I'm going to try my best to split it in half the best I can. Here's our other S. epidermis test tube that I labeled. Oops, hold on. Let me close it up. Okay, not perfectly in half, so let's... Alright, that's close enough. Then we're going to do the same thing for our E. coli. We always sterilize as we open. Try to split the best we can in half from our test tube. All right, that looks pretty close to half. Okay, so I have them in my test tube rack here. On the left here is going to be our methyl red test, and on the right is going to be our Voges-Proskauer test. So for the methyl red test, I'm going to be adding this methyl red solution that came in our lab. Hold on. I want to make sure I add the right amount and be careful that I don't get any dye on anything. Wipe the dye on my scissors. Wipe it off. So about 7 drops of our methyl red in each test tube. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh wow, that immediately turned red. Turning red means it's positive for the methyl test, the methyl red test. Now here, let's add 7 to E. coli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that also turned red. More of an orangish red though. I don't know if we are gonna count that compared to how red and pink. You can see the difference with the S. epidermis and the E. coli with our methyl red test. That's pretty neat. All right, next test we're going to do is the Voges-Proskauer test. Here we're going to use our Barrett's reagents. Okay, so going to use 12 drops of our Barrett's A reagent. Again, I'm just trying to not get any of the dye on anything else. So 12 drops into our E. coli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, I have allergies this week. And then 12 into our S. epidermis. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. once we do the reagent A, hold on. Okay. Once we do the reagent A, we're going to do reagent B. Okay. And this time we're only doing 4 drops. 3, 4. Shake it very gently, mix it all up. And then 4 drops in our S epidermis. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake it up very gently. And I'm actually going to let that sit for approximately 30 minutes. So I'll tune back in about 30 minutes to show you the results. Thanks for tuning in.